ready to amplify your marketing impact by precisely tracking your website visitors and their behaviors. Let's jump into Google Tag Manager and configure some vital variable pixels. First, go to the Variables area inside of your GTM container and click New. This reveals the variable configuration. Click the Variable Type option and choose a type that suits your needs, like DOM element or JavaScript variable, used to grab information from a specific component on your website. For this example, let's say we want to extract a product's price. We can use DOM element to snag the price from a specific item on the page. While doing this, pick which target and which option meets your needs. Name the variable, like product price, to clearly identify it. Next, configure the element selector. Access your website's developer tools and locate the CSS selector or XPath path related to the element containing the price. Paste this descriptor into the setup. Then, head to the tags area to establish a new tag, like a Facebook pixel or Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Now's the moment to implement our new variable within the tag setup. Use the variable we just created to pull the dynamic price data. Test the tag on your site. Within GTM's preview mode, verify the variable accurately picks up the proper price. If everything works as expected, submit your GTM container. You did it! You've successfully set up variable tracking using Google Tag Manager.